In this video, I'm going to go through how to do a current account with the profit distribution. This is extending from the video I've already done with the profit distribution statement, and is just going through how to do the profit distribution and how to show that in a current account. We are using this example from the Elizabeth Pitu workbook from a few years ago. We've got a group of partners who are running a business called All Directions. In the previous video, we went through the calculation of all of that information in the profit distribution statement, and now we're just going to do the current account. I'm just going to do the one for P North, and the process is the same for the others. So we're going to start with a balance, and in this example, we've got a balance given to us here. P North's current account was $2,000. So we'll come down here, and that will be $2,000, and that will be in credit because it wasn't showing there was overdrawn, so he's got some money sitting there. Now we're going to go through all of the steps of the profit distribution and just enter them into the current accounts. We did these in our journals, and so if we scroll up here, we'll see that P North, he had some interest on their drawings, so that was $100. So we'll put that in here. Now, unlike other ledger accounts, you can actually put in the details for what it is to put in interest on drawings rather than just profit distribution, because it makes it a little bit confusing. Now, interest on drawings is a payment that P North has made, so that is going to be debited in the current account, which reduces the value. Just going to double check that value. Yep. So that means that we now have a balance of $1,900. And that is still in credit. I'm just going to fix this up so they all align nicely to the right, because that's how we do numbers. Line them all up along the edge, and then you can add up the zeros if you need to. Alrighty, the next thing we've put in there, we've taken the interest away. Now we're giving them interest on capital. So interest on capital. And in this case, that's going to be credit because this is money that has been received, and that is $4,000. Of the disbursement, so that means we've got 4,900. No, we've got 5,900. 5,900 in our balance. Next step, we've got salary, and the salary for P North was 30,000, and so that makes it 35,900 as the balance now. Credit. Then we've got residual profit, and we calculated that in the previous video, so if you want to know how to do that, go back and have a look at that one. So he gets 2050, so that makes a new balance of 37950. Now the last thing we need to do is we're going to close off the drawings from the year. So we're going to take the drawings out of the current account. Because we've got a drawings account at the end of the year, we make that zero and we take it out of their capital. So in this case, we use a current account, so it's not taking out of that fixed capital. So we have a look up here, the drawings for the year, $32,000. So come down here, we're going to debit it because we are reducing the value of the current account. So 37. Take away 32, I'm going to use my calculator, so 37,950 minus 32,000, means we've got 5,950 remaining in this account, 5,950, and that is a credit balance, and that's how you complete a current account. I hope that was helpful.